Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faisal Fulsyah. I want to present the law of administrative procedure about legal effort on state administration court decision with the subjects. The first one is appeal, second one is accusation, and the third one judicial review. Appeal is one of the common legal remedies that can be requested by one or both parties in a case against decision of the district court. Parties submit an appeal if they are not satisfied with the content of the district court decision to High Court through the district court where the decision was passed. In accordance with the principle of filing an appeal, the implementation of the contents of the district court's decision cannot be implemented because the decision does not have permanent legal force, so that it cannot be executed except for the verdict ut furbar bich furat. The legal basis, the appeal is regulated in Article 188 until 194 HIR for Java and Madura, and Article until 205 for arise outside Java and Madura, then based on Article 3 in conjunction with Article 5 of Law Number 1, 1981, Emergency Law Number 1, year 1951. Articles 188 until 194 HIR was declared invalid and replaced by UU BO 20 year 1947 concerning regulation on the Autonomy Court in Java and Madura. Court decisions that can be appealed are only court decision in the form of decision, not a decision. Because against ordinary legal remedies, only cassation can be filed. And banner of time for appeal, the deadline for a statement to file an appeal is for 14 days after the decision is read until the parties are present, or 14 days for notification of the decision if one of the parties is not present. This provision is regulated in Article 7, Paragraph 1 and 2, Law Number 20, 1947, in conjunction with Article 46 of Law Number 14, year 1985. In practice, legal basis that is commonly used in Article 46 of Law Number 14 of 1985. If the time period for the appeal has passed, the appeal submitted will be rejected by the High Court because the district court decision is deemed to have permanent legal force and can be executed. And the second subject is accusation. Cassation is one of the common legal remedies that can be requested by one or both parties in a case against a high court decision. Parties can file an appeal if they are not satisfied with the contents of high court decision to the Supreme Court. Cassation comes from the word cassel, which means to break or cancel. So that if an appeal for cassation against a court decision under its accepted by the Supreme Court, it means the decision is cancelled by the Supreme Court because it is considered to contain error in the application of the law. Cassation examination only covers all judges' decision regarding the law, so there is no re-examination of the seat of the case, so the examination at the cassation level cannot or can be considered as a third level examination. Reason to apply case. The reason for filing an appeal according Article 30 of Law Number 14, 1985, among others. The first one, not authorized or exceeded the limit of authority. The said authority is not related to the relative and absolute competence of the court, while exceeding the limit can occur if the court grants a lawsuit beyond what is requested in the lawsuit. And the second one, incorrectly applying or violating applicable laws. What it means here is that there is an error applying the law, both formal and material law, while violating the law is that application of law by judex facti is wrong or contrary to the provision of the applicable of law. Or it can also be interpreted that the application of the law is not properly carried out the judex facti. And the last one, failure to fulfill the requirement required by statutory regulation with threatens negligence with the cancellation of the decision concerned. For example, in decision, there is no delivery. And budget time for filing case, the petition for cassation must be submitted within 14 days after the decision or court order in question is notified to the petitioner or Article 46, Paragraph 1 of Law Number 14, 1985. If not fulfilled, the request for the cassation cannot be accepted. Okay, the last subject is judicial review. Judicial review is a process where the executive and legislative action are reviewed by the judiciary. The council will review whether an act or law is in line with country's constitution. Power to review itself is usually governed by the constitution. If an act or law is deemed unconstitutional, the act or law can be cancelled. Therefore, judicial examination is one of the check and balance mechanisms in the doctrine of separation of power. In Indonesia, judicial testing is not the same as material testing because judicial testing only tests a legal norm consisting of both material and formal testing, while material testing is related to applicable legal norms and is considered to violate persons' constitutional rights. Regarding the judicial review to the Constitutional Court, the applicant is a party who considers constitutional rights and all authorities have been impaired by the enactment of the law, namely the first one, individual innocent citizen, second one, customary law, community unity as long as it's still alive and in accordance with the development of society and the principle of the unitary state of the Republic Indonesia as regulated in law. And the last one, public or private legal entities or state institution. Okay, thank you. I apologize if my voice is not clearly. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.